Hey guys, welcome to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you or will be discussing with you iTag Pro GPS Tracker Honest Review. So, let's talk about the iTag Pro GPS Tracker. Now, you've probably seen the ads online showing this little device here that supposedly helps you track anything. That includes your keys, your bag, your car, even your pets. Now, it's marketed as a high-tech GPS tracker that gives you real-time updates straight from your phone. Now, that sounds super convenient, but before buying or before anyone rushes to buy it, there's a lot to unpack here. Now, the iTag Pro here, or the iTag Pro website, makes it sound like a device or the device itself is powerful. Compact GPS tracker that works anywhere, with claims like real-time location tracking, anti-theft alerts, and long battery life here. So the way they describe it, you think it works just like any or like an Apple AirTag or a professional GPS system. But once you look closer and see what customers are actually saying, this don't quite line up. Now, the biggest thing to understand here is that the iTag Pro isn't really or is not really a GPS tracker. Now, it actually uses a Bluetooth tag, or it uses Bluetooth technology. Now, that means it doesn't connect to satellites or mobile networks. Instead, it only works with a limited Bluetooth range, now usually around 30 feet. Now, if your bag or pet goes missing out of range here, it can't give you live location. Some people found it out only after buying it. So because the site keeps using the word GPS everywhere, even though it doesn't truly have GPS functionality. Now, if you check websites or platforms like, for example, Reddit here, you'll notice that a lot of people are saying that they actually got scammed. And a lot of people are warning that you do not buy this product. And this specific user here even mentioned what we said before. It uses Bluetooth technology, so no actual tracking. Now, if you compare the website to websites like, for example, Scam Advisor, you'll notice that the website has an incredible low trust score, meaning the website has a high probability that it's an actual scam. Now, if you go to your Avoid here, you notice that the website was actually registered just 8 months ago. So, meaning the website is fairly young, and usually scam websites would only last a few months, then suddenly disappear and basically open up a new website again. Now, if you check their reviews on Trustpilot, which is right now is unclaimed, you'll get pretty much the same thing. They only have 1-star reviews. Now, the GPS not working, and pretty much the same complaint that we read before. Now, in this case, another warning here, the website itself, when you look up itagpro.com, it actually is a pretty new site here, like what we saw. So, only registered the same year. And here's something else. The product looks nearly identical to cheap Bluetooth key finders that you can buy on AliExpress. Now, what am I talking about? So, this product here in AliExpress. Now, currently, it is marketed as $11 only. So if you do a quick Google search here or try searching the image, you could just right click on the image, use the search for Google Lens here, and basically you'll find the same product everywhere here. In fact, you could actually find this on multiple platforms like the Zada or even in Walmart and Shopee and a lot more. So currently, is it recommended that you try buying this product? Well, the honest truth here, and based on what we saw, it is not recommended that you buy the product. Now, if you really want to try the product and you're okay with Bluetooth connectivity or Bluetooth tracking, well, maybe find a product that is a lot cheaper. Now, currently, if you go through their website and try seeing the actual price for it, let's go and just look at the pricing for it. Let's go and click on get 70% discount. The product itself is around $42 or $41.99 each. Well, in fact, you could just get it for $11 on websites like AliExpress. So, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.